Good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. On your video, children, sit properly. Take out the textbook and see notes. Okay, are you ready, children? What we are discussing? In last class, we discussed about fractions. Introduction of fractions. Okay, just how can we write fraction? What is the meaning of the fraction? Okay, how can we write fraction from given figure? We learned these topics in yesterday's class. Okay, in today's class we will discuss about fraction number line. Fraction number line. And from exercise 7.1 second bit. What is second bit from exercise 7.1? Second bit. Write the fractions for already first bit completed. Did you complete, children? First bit. Some children are sent homework also. Ishwar, Kanishka, these children completed. Very good, children. Next, page number 62. In your textbook, page number 62, second bit. First bit complete in your textbook. And second bit. Second bit also you complete in your textbook only. Write the fractions for the following. What is first one? 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. 1/4. How can we write fraction form? 1/4 fraction form is 1/4. Read down, children. In your textbook, page number 62. Second bit. Next, second one is, what is second one? 2/5. Yes, 2/5. Fifths. Fifth. Yes, very good. 2/5. Very nice. Chaman. 2/5. Okay? 2/5. 2/5. Next, what is third one? 5/8. 5/8. 5/8. How can we write fraction form? 5? Yes, very good. 5/8. 5/8. Ishwar, very nice. 5/8. Did you complete, children? Remaining one? Did you understand how can we write fraction form? Next, remaining one, you only complete. Very good, Sadia. Okay? In your textbook, you complete and send me. Pick. Okay? That is homework for you. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? Okay. Today I will send. Division FN. Pair notes. Today I will send pics. You complete. Okay? Okay. Next, fraction number line. Now I am going to explain fraction on the number line. Exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. This is fraction number line. Fraction on the number line. On your videos, students, on your videos and sit properly. Okay, first one. First one given here, one number line. 0, 1, 0 to 1. Here given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 1. Okay, first of all, here given one number line. Okay, this is the number line. On number line, how many numbers are there? See once, children, how many numbers are there? 0 and 1. Okay, these are numbers. Next, how many equal parts? Here, how many equal parts are there? See once, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a page number 64. Page number 64. Okay. 12 parts are there. 12 equal parts are there here. Okay. On one number line, 12 equal parts are there. Okay. Now, mark 5 by 12. Mark 5 by 12 on this number line. I am explaining from exercise 7.2, page number 64. Mark 5 by 12. Mark 5 by 12 on this number line. On this number line. Yes, 5 by 12. Here, first of all, here one number line. Okay, listen children, listen carefully all of you. Here one number line is there. On number line, 12 parts are there. 12 equal parts are there. So we have to mark 5 by 12. 5 by 12 on this number line. Okay, where is there 5 by 12? Where is there on number line? Where is there 5 by 12? Where is there? See once children here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5 by 12. Okay, this is 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Answer is 5 by 12. Where is there on number line 5 by 12? Here is there. You count 5. Okay, you count 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 12 is on this number line. Okay, children? Did you understand? Okay, one more I will explain. Second one. What is second one? Mark 3 by 8 on this number line. Say next to number line. This is the one of the number line. First 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? 8. Okay? Here this is 1 by 12. This is 1 by 12, 2 by 12, 3 by 12, 4 by 12. This is 5 by 12. Okay? Next 6 by 12, 7 by 12, 8 by 12, 9 by 12, 10 by 12, 11 by 12, 12 by 12. 12 by 12 is equal 1. Okay. Right? here. Mark 3 by 8. Here mark 3 by 8. 3 by 8 on this number line. On this number line. Okay, on this number line. See once here. Mark 3 by 8 on this number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, not 8. This is 1 only. Okay. Here 8 parts are there. 8 equal parts are there. 8 equal parts are there. In on number line have only one number, but up to one number only we have to take 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts. How can we write this 8 equal parts? 1 by 8. Each part 2 by 8. 3 by 8. Next 4 by 8. 5 by 8. 6 by 8. 7 by 8. 8 by 8. So, what is the mark 3 by 8 on this number line? Where is the 3 by 8 on number line? See once here. 1 by 8, 2 by 8. This is 3 by 8. Okay? This is 3 by 8. Show on number line. Fractional number. Which fractional number? 3 by 8 fractional number. Okay? Third one is 3 by 8. Next, third one, fourth one. In your textbook, you complete, children. Fraction number line. Okay? Did you understand? How can we show fractional number on number line? Did you understand, children? Rumeza? Okay. In your textbook, page number 62 and 64, complete, children. Okay, understand. Sri Vidya. Very good. Okay, write down. Okay, next exercise 7.3. What is first bit? Identify the numerator and denominator. Okay. Identify the numerator and denominator in each of the following fractions. In each of the following fractions. First one is 1 by 3. Before exercise 7.3, I will give some explanation, children. Listen to me. Okay? This is explanation part. First, I draw one figure, children. This is one of the rectangle. Here, how many parts are there? How many equal parts are there? 8. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts are there. From 8 equal parts, I am shading 3 parts. Then how can we write fraction form? Fraction form. In yesterday's class, I explained. Kanishka, how can we write fraction form? Say anyone. No. Ishwar. Fraction form. I am asking fraction form. Not shaded parts I am not asking. No. Yes, very good. 3 by 8. Shrutik, very nice answer. Shashi. No, 3 by 4 is wrong answer. 3 by 8 is correct answer. Shaded parts by total parts. Shaded parts by total parts. 3 by 8. In this 3 by 8 fraction, 3 is numerator. 3 is numerator. 3 is numerator. Next, 8 is denominator. 8 is denominator. Okay, numerator. 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 Denominator. 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 Okay. In this fraction, 3 by 8 fraction, in this fraction form, 3 is numerator. 3 is numerator. 8 is denominator. 8 is denominator. Numerator is taken parts and shaded parts, given parts. Okay? Numerator is taken parts or shaded parts. Taken parts. Okay? Or shaded parts. Shaded parts. Next, denominator is total parts. Okay, denominator is total parts. In given figure, total how many parts are there? That is denominator. Denominator is total parts. Okay, denominator is total parts. Numerator is taken parts. Here shaded fraction form is 3 by 8. See children here. Shaded fraction form. Here I am asking shaded fraction form. Shaded fraction. Shaded fraction is shaded parts by total parts. Shaded parts, how many are there? 3 shaded parts are there. So 3. Total parts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are there. So we can write 8 is denominator. Okay. Next, I am asking here not shaded parts fraction. Not shaded part of fraction. Don't try them. First listen. Adnan, first you listen first of all. First listen to me. This is shaded fraction. Shaded fraction is shaded parts by total parts. Here I am asking not shaded fraction. Not shaded fraction form. Not shaded parts, how many are there here? Say anyone? Not shaded parts. Very good. 5. Total parts are 8. 5 by 8 is not shaded fraction form. 5 by 8. In this fraction, what is numerator, what is denominator? In 5 by 8, what is numerator, what is denominator? Very good. Denominator. 5 is numerator, 8 is denominator. Okay. Numerator is taken parts, shaded parts. And denominator is total parts. Did you understand, children, what is numerator, what is denominator from given fraction? So, here, 1 by 3. In this fraction, here, what is numerator, what is denominator? What is numerator? Yes, very good. Numerator is 1. Alias Srividya. Srividya Sadhya. Okay, numerator is 1. Very nice. Denominator is Yes, Rajputeshwar. 3. Denominator is 3. Okay. Did you understand, children? What is numerator? What is denominator? All of you understand? Next in second. 3 by 4. In 3 by 4, what is numerator? Understand, teacher. Okay. What is numerator? Say loudly. 3. Very good. What is denominator? 4. Very nice. What is denominator? 4. Okay. Did you understand, children? Third class children. Did you understand what is numerator? What is denominator? If you have any doubt, raise your hand, children. I will clarify your doubts. Exercise 7.3. First bit you can complete. Okay. Exercise 7.3 first bit. In exercise 7.3 first bit, give fraction given and you have to write only what is the numerator and what is the denominator. Okay. See children, exercise 7.3. Here fraction given. Just you have to write what is the numerator, what is the denominator. Write numerator and denominator. Okay. Now from fraction to we can write numerator and denominator. From numerator and denominator to we can write fraction form also. That is second bit. Okay, write down. Okay, next second bit. Second bit. Write the fraction having fractions having numerators and denominators as given below. What is first bit? From given fraction to we can write numerator and denominator. What is the numerator and what is the denominator? But what is second bit? Write the fractions having numerators and denominators as given below. Here giving numerator and denominator. From numerator and denominator, we have to write fraction. Numerator and denominator next to fraction. Numerator is 7. Denominator is 11. What is the fraction form, children? What is the fraction form? Numerator given and denominator given. Write fraction form. Yes, 7 by 11. Very good. 7 by 11 is fraction. Numerator by denominator. 7 by 11. Next one more. 11 and 17. 11 is numerator, 17 is denominator. What is the fraction? Yes, 11 by 17. Good. 11 by 17 is fraction form. Okay. In your textbook, Exercise 7.3 second bit. This is second bit. Complete your textbook only. In your textbook only you complete exercise 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3. In exercise 7.1 from given figure 2 we can write fraction form and fraction. Next in exercise 7.2 fraction number line. Okay, how can we show on number line given fraction form. Next exercise 7.3 from given fraction to what is the numerator, what is the denominator. Next numerator and denominator given, we have to write fraction form. In today's class I explained these topics. Did you understand, children? Chintamundla Harshita, did you understand? Okay, understand. Very good. The next one more. 9 and 15. 9 and 15. What is the fraction form? No. Yes, 9 by 15. Good. 9 by 15 is fraction. Numerator by denominator. Numerator by denominator is fraction. Okay, students? I hope you understand how to write fraction and what is the fraction form, what is the numerator and what is the denominator. I hope you understand. In tomorrow class I will explain types of fractions. Okay. You complete exercise 7.1, 7.2, 7.3 in your textbook and send me pics. Okay, children. Thank you, children.